In this video, I'll show you where to find promo deals for Greyhound. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser and then head on over to Google. And now inside the Google search bar, type in Greyhound promo code deals and then click search. And now if I spell it correctly, here we go. Alright, now inside the Google search results, and if I scroll down, we got third-party websites offering promo code deals. So we got We Thrift at 40% off, Simply Codes 15% off, Coupon Birds, etc, etc. So one place I really like to get promo code deals or coupon code deals is Coupon Follow. These sites do change daily and weekly, by the way, as well. So keep an eye out daily or weekly for different deals and offerings, and make sure these deals are still active because they do expire as well. So I'm inside Coupon Follow. So if I want to get 10% off any ordered for military members, 5% off for seniors, 10% off any order for students, so click into anyone you'd like to use. So if you're a senior, click on 5% off for seniors. Then it'll redirect me to the next page where you find the coupon deal. No, it just directly sent me to the deals and promos inside Greyhound. So if I go back here, might check out some more deals. So if you want 10% off any orders for students, I'm going to click into that. And now it's sent me back to Greyhound to activate that code, because as it says here, no coupon code needed. So yeah, you can just check out these different third-party sites and see their offerings.